Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to publish a video on YouTube Studio. Let's say I want to publish this particular video. I've already uploaded this, so it's a draft video right now. You want to know how to upload it. You click on your create, click on upload videos, click on select files, and then you choose a file that you want. You can pick from here, but you can click on show files, or some people automatically their own when they click on select files, take them to the file list. You click on the file you want to upload, you click on open, and it will start uploading the file. If it's more than one to show in a list, if it's not more than one to show like this. I don't want to upload this file, so let me stop it. So you click on cancel here. It's very fast. Cancel upload. It's already in 100%. Okay, well, faster than I was. Anyway, this is this video. You see, when you upload it, it looks like a draft like this. You can see it's called a draft. So you click on the pen icon, or you can just click on edit draft over here, same thing. And then you have the name, then you have to tell it, give it a description. Let's say I don't have time because of now. I'm just going to copy, but you're supposed to actually put a description here of what your video is all about, explain what your video is all about. And then next thing, you scroll down, you see the part for tags. So you have to add tags here. Now normally, let's say I want to use this tag, so I click on it. I'm using a rapid tag. I'm using this website called Rapid Tags. So then you copy the tag. So you go back to the channel, click on it, click on paste. Then you have thumbnail, but before then I still have to paste this tag somewhere else. Click on show more, go down, you see another part for tags. Good. Then if it shows red like this, it means that the tags is more than you need, to just remove one out of it or two until it turns green. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go back here. So the next thing, we're gonna add a thumbnail. So you click on thumbnail. Now, as you can see, these are the thumbnails that I have. I decided, but it's not the one I want to use, so I can create a thumbnail by going to Canva. So I go, let's say I want to use this particular thumbnail. I click on it, or I have it downloaded. Now I already, once you don't have to download from Canva, you click on this, click on share, click on download. So you make sure it is its current page, you click on download again, and to be in, and once it's in, if you go back here, you click on upload, you see it's there. So let's see the same one I've downloaded before. So I click on it. Now you can use one that you created from Canva or any other creation app, or you can decide to automatically generate one. Let's say I want to automatically generate one. So I'll select this one. If I want to use automatically generate, I click on done. That's the one that will appear as my thumbnail. You can see. Click on the three dots again. I'll put a file, or I can reselect. If I don't want to use that one again, I choose another one I want to use. So when you choose automatically generate thumbnail, it actually takes from an image from your video to use as a thumbnail. So let's cancel that. So let's say I want to use that particular one. Then you playlist, you choose your playlist. You say you need to add a video to a playlist, add a video to one or more playlists, organize your content for viewers. So I don't want to add a playlist, so I leave it. Now under the audience, you choose that it's made for kids or not made for kids. Under age restriction, don't forget it's supposed to be a show less. If it show more, you have to click on it. Then is a paid promotion? Is a video containing a paid promotion like a product placement, sponsorship, or endorsement? If it's not, leave it on marked. If it is, mark it. So you go for brand. You can search for brand to promote your videos by clicking on search for a brand. Then next on is altered content. Do any of your videos before you describe your content? Did you make a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do? Did you alter the footage of a real event or place, or did you generate a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur? If you did any of this, or all of this, you click on yes. Since I didn't, I click on no. Then you go for collaboration. Here you decide to get a collaborator, invite a collaborator so you are trying to grow your audience by collaborating with other creators and expanding your videos reach to their audience. So click on invite a collaborator if you want to invite one. Then you have automatic chapters. Here you can try to allow YouTube to create your chapters and key moments to make a video easier to watch. You can also override automatic suggestion by creating your own chapters in the video description. If you want to create your own chapters, you go back to this video description here, and you can add a space for creating chapters, and then you put it in. So that's yours. So next is this. You want to create chapters. If you don't want automatically, then turn this off. but I do want it, so I leave it on. Next, we have featured places. So you can turn it on to allow automatic places, which means those public places like restaurants and shops will allow the viewers to explore those key places in your video. The next, we have automatic concepts. This is experimental. Here is to help viewers learn more about an unfamiliar term that you used in the video without leaving the video. So the concept that you mention in your video will automatically appear in the description. So if you want that, you leave it turned on. If you don't want that, you turn it off. This is a tag like we said earlier. This is language and caption certificates. You want to change the language from English and language, you change this here. You want there to be caption. If you have a caption certificate, if you do, you decide you pick one of these. If you don't, you click on none. Then here we have recording date and location. If you want to turn on recording date, you turn it on. You choose the date. If you don't want to click out. Video location, you type in video location if you want. Next, license and distribution. So this is license we're using. Again, they have two licenses. Pick one. Then the distribution for now is set on everywhere if you're using standard YouTube license. You can also allow embedding or turn it off. You can publish subscription feed and notify subscribers, or you can turn it off. So you just go through this, choose what you want, category. You can also change the category of the video, change turn on and off the comments, the moderation for the comments should be none, which means don't hold any comments. Basic, hold potentially inappropriate comments. Select filter, strict, hold a broader range of potentially inappropriate comments, and hold all comments. Then you can also turn it on and off to decide if you want to see how many viewers like your video. So you can sort your comments by top or the newest, depends on you. Then you can also add a fundraiser to your video by clicking on add a fundraiser. Once you're through with that first page, go to the monetization page. Then here to turn on or off monetization. I turn mine on. Note that only videos longer than 8 minutes are eligible for mid-roll ads during video. So they're showing you the format for monetization over here. Then we have ad stability. So here you have to read through all this. Do you have inappropriate language? You can see all the options here. You click on the one that fits your studio. It fits your video actually. The adult content, is there any adult content like romance or kissing? You pick. If there is, click on it. If there isn't, you can see all the description of what other content. They're trying to categorize your video, that's why. For ad stability, violence, the same thing. So you just click on the arrows, open everything up, and if none of them refers to your video, click on none of the above, and then click on submit for rating. So none of those means are safe for any kind of ad. So next we have video elements. Here to add music license, if you have one, you click on add. You also to add subtitles, you can click on edit. If the YouTube studio generates the caption for you, so you read through and edit it. So once you're done, you click on done. Then the next thing you're going to do is, if you don't want to have subtitles, you can click on these three dots and click on delete. Then add an end screen. You can import from video or just add an end screen yourself. So let's say I want to use this end screen. Tap on save. Then next we have card. Tap on card. Then you choose the card. Let's say I want to use this one for the first card. Now I want to use the playlist for the second card. Yes, business playlist. Tap on save. And the next thing is visibility. So what I told you is click on next. Visibility is next. You see what things are marked, this and this. Click on next. And then you click on public. This is for visibility. Who just publish to? You don't need to publish, click on schedule. Set the time when you should publish. From private to public, or from members only to public. So once you're done, you don't forget to read this, and then you click on schedule if you want to use schedule. So if I want to use schedule, I go for public. Then you click on publish. It will be a few seconds and it will be done. You can see, and that's it. Then you close. Hope you found this video helpful.